Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for the Big Boy 1500s. I'm talking about the king of king when it comes to 1500s. I'm talking about the T-Rexians, aka the TRX boys. The Ram TRX boys are in the building, ready to put those toes to the fire and those feet to the pavement. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy T-Rexians down? Or will the T-Rexians do what they love to do? Get real, nasty, diabolical, and sinister at the same time and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Okay, we in, what's that? Pasco County, Florida. This happened in 2026. This is like a truck stop. Is this a truck stop or a gas station? Look like a truck stop. He on somebody. We ain't got no sound, but he definitely on to somebody. Is that, oh, that's a T-Rex. That's a big boy Rex. No sound. And he got that nice little color, Destroyer Gray. Oh, he's out here. Yeah, but do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my T-Rex toes, devil. I hope you're ready. Man, he is moving. Eat my dust, copper. Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk. Man, he moving. He leaving him. How can a big old truck like that move like that? He must have topped out. Yeah, he topped out. That governor kicked in. That's the only bad thing about a T-Rex. They top out at 118 if you got the governor on them. Take that governor off, you got a real monster. I hope he don't tear this truck up. Oh, he going in for the pit. No! He ramped over him. Oh my goodness. Did y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Did he catch him?
Yeah, you were going somewhere. Now you're going to jail with felonies.
Dang.
Get your head in.
Get in the back of the car, punk.
Sit down.
Sorry, sir.
Heck Ookie. We got a Heck Ookie and a Rex. Look at him back there, y'all. Shave that peeps puzz off your face. He didn't check him? He didn't check his pockets? Does he got a key? What is he doing? What is he opening? What is that? Drugs? Hold on, what else he got? What's he finna do?
It looks like the RO is going to be a URL construction.
Oh my goodness! Diabolical! GTA is crazy. I didn't even know you could do that on GTA. He eyes the kite right now.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide any question at any time not to answer any questions, waive these rights. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. My dad's gonna
Do you still want to talk? What's all over your face, man? You got a white powdery substance all over your face.
Yeah, and
Baby powder.
That ain't soap, brother. What's on your face?
Baby powder.
Alcohol out of my baby powder out of my breath or whatever.
All right.
But you guys were on to me, so I was like,
All right. Why did you not? Why didn't you pull over, man?
Because I'm a dummy.
Last time I did that at Hillsborough, County.
I'm a Ookie.
You thought I was gonna let you go? You see this car? What color is it? It's black and tan. Do you think we stop chases? I was gonna talk to you about doing the damn donuts. I was gonna talk to you. And then you fled from me the moment I got behind you and lit you up.
While he was doing donuts? He doing donuts right now in his head. After he took in that powdery substance.
Alright, so understand if you lie to me and give me the wrong information, go to jail anyway.
I'm already going to jail. I got nothing to lose.
Dad's truck?
Yep, it was my dad's
You
truck.
destroyed it.
That's what insurance is for. He'll be all right.
What happened? I was just trying to test it off road. I was just trying to test it, really. You know.
You was trying to test it.
Like I tested that powdery substance. Francisco going crazy in his head right now. Oh, give me some more of that powder.
Come on, man, you gave me a good chase.
Fresh out of the joint.
Yeah, I know.
Going back to the joint. He couldn't wait to get out and get to that powder.
Pull your feet out.
He couldn't wait to get out and get back to that powder. Fresh out the joint, you take your dad's TRX, get that torn up, then you get a little bit of that candy. A little bit. Look at him. This is crazy. This is insane what we watching right here. Grand Theft Auto is crazy.
So you're gonna be charged for possession of cocaine. Lean back, lean back, lean back. You're gonna be charged with possession of cocaine. All right, DUI, fleeing to elude.
Hey, bro. You good? What's up?
Yeah, I'm good.
Who's Uriel?
That's my cousin.
Uriel's your cousin.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's your cousin's construction company.
Yes.
Okay. Do you live with Uriel?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so Uriel stays with you too. So Uriel lets you drive the truck down.
Yes, he did.
Okay. And how did that? Tell me how that conversation went.
What?
Well, he just told me, you know, you can take the truck, whatever, because he gives it to my dad, you know, because he just basically gives him the truck because my dad pays for it. So,
But he knows about your license and everything.
no, he didn't know he was suspended.
How bad is your license?
It was just revoked. I had an SR22, just the eligibility to get it back. I just had to go to the tax collector and get it back.
How many?
And yesterday, I asked my dad for the truck if I can go get it, and he said, yeah, bro, go, whatever, but
Dad did. And your dad pays for it.
what?
The truck.
Yeah. I was supposed
But
to get my
it's
license
just in
yesterday.
Uriel's name. Why is it in Uriel's name if your dad pays for it?
It don't matter, man. You asking too many questions, man. Shut the door.
Your dad doesn't what?
You messing up my high.
Like your dad doesn't have Social Security.
I don't know if he does. If he doesn't.
Please, so I'm gonna ask you a question, and I'm not going down there. I don't care. Is he here illegally or something? Is that why?
Me no speak no English. All of a sudden, I can't speak no English.
So your dad's here illegally, so the truck is in Uriel's name because your dad can't obtain it, but he pays for it, right?
Right.
But your dad knows about your license, and your dad,
They're going to get your dad now.
The one that told me.
yeah. So how did that go?
He told me maybe he's like, man, ask your mom. He told me ask your mom.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, well.
So he was just kind of indifferent.
He's like, I might let you get a truck because he see I was smart. I wasn't being stupid. But once I got a truck that had speed in it, man, I had to have fun and I was being safe. You know, I know how to drive.
Okay, so once you got in the truck, you just kind of lost your mind a little bit.
That TRX and juice get you going crazy.
When I was in prison, he was talking.
Which cousin is that?
He's a cousin named Kevin Reyes.
Okay.
Damn, you dropping too many names, my boy.
You were coming to see Kevin then up here. All right.
Off of Roger Lane Road.
Thanks, bro.
They going to get your dad right now. And Reyes. All of them.
Yes, because I ain't admit to drinking.
Huh? Yeah, you did.
I did?
Yeah, absolutely did.
No, I didn't.
So, and I'm smelling it straight off of you.
I don't care what you smell. That is not alcohol.
Your question is, do you want to do filter brush?
That's urine.
Yes or no?
I've been drinking urinate all day.
There's not a pass or fail. It's perform well or do not. All right.
Pass you straight to jail is what they gonna do. Do not go.
Have a bond, sir?
Huh?
Do I have a bond?
What?
Do I have a bond?
Oh no. Oh no, brother. You got no bond on this one. You
He don't know that.
Highway patrol. We take you to jail, and the truck belongs to us. All right.
That truck don't belong to y'all.
Just answer. How much did you take? I don't need you ODing on me.
That truck don't belong to y'all. Nice try though, but it don't belong to y'all. You tried though.
Is there anything else in that truck?
You can't take somebody else's truck.
I'm gonna put your
That ain't even in his name. You can't take that truck.
Vehicle. Is it yours?
They trying to cop his truck so they can put it in the fleet. Nice try, Copper. Not gonna happen. Meet me in the comments. Now, if this wasn't the most diabolical chase I've seen in a long, long time. My boy was at the gas station doing donuts in the Rex. Them TRXs don't play, man. He going off a dookie juice. He got that pie outer in his system. He don't know how to act, man. You give him a TRX, he don't know how to act. And it's a nice color too. It's got that what's that? Destroyer gray with the black what's those? I think those are black beadlock rims on it. I like those black beadlock wheels. Look at it. It look good, man. It looks good. Look at him. Put his foot all the way down to the depths. And I'm talking about the depths of hell, and got busy until that governor kicked in. See, once you get to 118, the truck is just screaming. It's going 118, but it's not going to be able to go any faster because that governor's keeping it at that speed because the tires are only rated for that speed. See how quick he taking off on him? He pulling away, and then he just going to stall out. He ain't going to be able to pull away no more. Look at him. See, he was pulling away. Now the officer going to start gaining on him. See how the officer gaining on him real fast? He topped out. It topped out. That's the only thing that's bad about the TRX. That is governed. If it wasn't governed, I don't think it'd be too much of anything that can keep up with that dang truck. But it is definitely off the chain, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the new Grand Theft Auto video game. Make sure y'all meet me in the comments. But with that being said, do not hesitate to drop some of those hype points in the Avengers Cup. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Shout out to the T-Rexians. We got mad love for you because, as you know, I ain't gonna say new. I'm back to being a T-Rexian, and I love it. I said I love it. And with that being said, I'm gonna leave y'all with some positivity. Life is too short to be waiting around for somebody to accept you. Why are you waiting for somebody to accept you when you all you need? Your greatness gonna shine with or without people. You got the juice. You just gotta drink it. You got it. You're doing big things. You just don't believe in yourself. You headed the right way. You just don't trust yourself. You need to start believing in yourself and trusting yourself. Your time is coming. Stop waiting around for acceptance from people that don't matter. Only thing that matters is you doing the right thing, hustling, getting down, grinding for the right way, making it happen for yourself. You don't need nobody. You just need to believe in yourself. And if somebody want to help you, let them help you. But if not, it don't matter. You all you need at the end of the day. I believe in you. I love you. Stay blessed up, Werewolf Pack. And with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk. But just in case you do wanna be that diabolical and you don't want your feathery wings, you want your leathery wings. Can you please listen to me now? Can you please, if you're gonna run in a TRX, can you please take that governor off?